Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the Samsung S9 Plus and the OnePlus 5T. In the Indian version of the S9 Plus, it sports an Exynos 9810 octa-core processor with Mali G72 MP18 GPU. OnePlus 5T sports a Snapdragon 835 processor with Adreno 540 GPU. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way guys, S9 Plus used in this video is a brand new phone and apart from these applications, there isn't anything running in the background. Whereas OnePlus 5T is my friend's phone, he has been using it for a few months now and currently I have the entire setup in a separate user. So there is another user running in the background with lot of applications. So let's see how they perform. So guys, OnePlus 5T was 5 seconds faster than the S9 Plus, even though it has a lot more applications running in the background. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens it faster and how fast it actually is. Throughout the speed test, difference between both the phones was very minimal, but OnePlus 5T was faster than S9 Plus at least by a few milliseconds. So we can consider this round as a tie. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, both phones come with 6 GB of RAM and that should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. memory management was almost equally good on both the phones. Some apps were killed on the 5T, but as I've said, it's a used phone and there is a completely different user running in the background. So considering all that, memory management is a tie. Now with that said, memory management on the S9 Plus has really improved from the last year's S8. So that's a great thing. I really hope it stays that way. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.